solar backup generator must be able to power the house and recharge the batteries at the same time. For example, if your batteries charge at 100A at 48V, that is 4800W just for recharging. On top of that, you need to add the household consumption, lights, refrigerator, etc., which brings the minimum recommended power to 6000-7000W. A fuel tank that is too small means having to stop and refill continuously, which is inconvenient and impractical. With a tank of at least 20 liters, you can enjoy greater autonomy, avoiding becoming a refueling slave to the generator.